I just turned the mic on.
That'll do it.
Yeah, thank you, Kylie. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so you're gonna get 4/9, which is the same thing. Ooh, 4/9. Ain't right. What? Cubed squared. Okay, you can't factor by grouping when you have a cubed. Yeah, no, you can't factor by grouping. You're gonna have to find another one. I would go with -2 if I were you. Did y'all get 3 and -2 yet?
Yes.
Okay, and then what do you do? Yeah, that looks like plus or, okay, I'm not sure what x squared minus 36, where'd that come from?
Because drop it weight.
Oh, I see, in order to factor. Okay, why don't you do this though? And just do, say 9x squared and then add 4 to both sides.
Oh.
And then you get 4/9. And then when you take the square root, the square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of 9 is 3, but it's plus or minus. Okay, yeah. If you do the slide and divide thing, how does that work? You had x squared minus 36. And so you'd do x plus 6, x minus 6. But then you'd have to divide these by what, 9? Yeah, so that would still work. That would still work, as long as you remember to divide by 9. Oh, now it's following me around too. No wonder it wasn't following me earlier. I didn't have it turned on. Okay, let's see if I can get it to look at. There. Okay, let's try another one. Uh-oh, Anna, you all right?
Yeah, I just,
Did we-
on all of them, I forgot to add the first 9.
Okay, but you're getting the idea.
Yeah,
Okay, you want to erase everything? Okay, let me see, remember which ones we're doing here. Oh, I was only going to go through 25. Okay, 29. Okay, in this case, you got to find all the real solutions. So you might have imaginary. Okay, so x to the 4th plus x cubed, because I don't want z, x cubed plus x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so you got to find any and all solutions. You can start off by finding the rational ones. Not too many to start off trying. And again, you can use your calculator to narrow it down a little, maybe.
1 on the 1. Yes, numbers.
What does it look like? That's weird. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like maybe -2 and 1. I don't know. Okay, I'll look it up and see what we get. So this is 29.
Oh, 1 more thing?
Well, why do they say to find all the, find all the real, so no imaginaries? Well, you're not even going to have your rationals on this one. But you might have some multiplicities. Oh, you might end up with some prime things that you can't factor. Does that make sense? So what has worked so far? Has one has worked?
-2 worked for me.
-2 worked? Okay, so once you've divided it twice, it could be possible that you have an unfactorable quadratic left.
Yeah.
No, -2 should work. And I think that's all you get is the -2 and the 1, because then what you have left would,
It's-
you have what,
it's not
x
real.
squared plus 3?
Mhm.
That won't give you any rational, I mean, any real roots. Good, it'd be what, square root of 3i or something like that. Okay, let's do another one of those. 29 to 35. Okay, 2x to the 4th. Oh, I'll let you erase. Hang on. Erasing.
Should I erase the red as well?
Yes, please. And so can Anna over there, she gets tired of seeing it. I've got red over on to your left that I put up there that you could erase if you wanted, but you don't have to. Okay, so ready? 2x to the 4th plus 3x cubed minus 16x squared plus 15x minus 4 equals 0.
There's gonna be any fractions on this one.
Find all your real solutions, and you could have as many as how many? What's the maximum number? 4.
Are there gonna be any fractions?
Maybe.
Maybe. No.
Like I said, you can use your calculator to help you narrow some of them down. Still no calculator, James?
Hasn't arrived yet.
Amazon is faster than that. Are you an Amazon Prime person?
Yeah, but we didn't order it off Amazon.
Oh, that's their problem. Coming from China, isn't it?
Mom's like, we're not ordering anything overseas. And I'm like, why not? She's like, I know you know why not. And I'm like, yeah.
Yeah.
The usual, just Corona.
You know. What the heck?
5 of them will pack.
I can tell you now, you got one repeated root.
How did I get there? That's a 1 and I multiplied by 2. What? I don't know.
4.
4. 4.
Oh, yeah. Good.
Minus 1.
Really high numbers.
Negative 1. Negative 1.
Bless you.
Blessed art thou.
So I'm thinking, did this come out as a 0?
Negative 1. Let's try and roll it. I feel like I'm missing something.
No. Oh,
Looks like 1 was.
1. 1 works.
Or, on here, kind of. -7.
-7. What is this? That's a 0.
Well, that I just.
Yeah, I didn't get. So we had 2 and a 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, a 3, a -16, a 15, a -4. So 2 and 4 and -5, a +20, and 4, 16. That should be 30 something, shouldn't it? If you add these,
What?
you get 31. Oh, it's in.
Sorry, I just did it right against it on the bottom, so my number's here. This is completely different. This is
I know, but I'm interested in this one first. Like, do you got these numbers from doing this from -4?
yeah.
Yes, -4
Oh,
times
the-
-4 is 16. The 16 and 15 are 31.
Yeah.
What?
Anybody got all 4 of them yet?
No. I haven't got them all.
I have glasses. Yes. This is just like a multiplicity too, but I don't really know how to do that.
You just put another one, comma 1, comma 1. How do you know it's a multiplicity?
Because there are 2 of them.
Oh, good job. Good. Yeah, yeah. Kylie's the one to beat on this one.
B?
Yeah.
No, thank you. I have unfortunately numbers.
What are you getting, Eddie?
Circumstances. All this.
A 1 and a -1. I think it's but 2 -1s.
2 negative ones.
Yeah, how did you get a positive one? I mean, how'd you get
I
this?
can't do math or no. Hold up.
You can't do
I
math?
think it was
How did he?
minus 3.
How is -11 minus 1 4? Or sorry, yeah.
Two,
Sorry,
three,
4
yeah,
times
yeah,
1
yeah,
4.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
makes 4.
Plus 1.
Oh, it's positive 4.
So then that's cubed.
Okay, and I guess I'll do -4.
And
So you got a -1 there
yes, ma'am.
and a -1/2. And then this came from there,
Yes,
but that would be a -1. See, if it's +1 there, it'd be -1 here,
Oh.
which it is true. You got two x minus 1s.
I only have.
No,
Oh wait.
wait a minute. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, but this one will be minus. Yeah. Okay, so you should have a +1 plus, I mean, if you get the roots only, you have +1/2, 1, 1, and -4. Okay, so what do you do with that? That's the roots. I mean, that's the factors. So what does x equal?
X equals 1, -4, and 1/2.
Right, and you could actually have one twice if you wanted.
Yes.
Okay, good job. Which one was that? You don't know?
Yeah. So 2 divided by.
Oh, that was 31. Okay.
You should have played a grass plate instead of that. Yeah. 2 times.
Okay, ready? Now this has different directions. So erase while I read the directions. In A, you're going to have to list possible rational zeros. In B, you're going to have to sketch the graph from your calculator so that you can disregard some of them, and then you have to determine all the real zeros. Okay, so f of x equals x cubed plus x squared minus 4x minus 4. We'll figure out in A what all the possible rational roots are. And then actually sketch the graph from your calculator. You don't have to be real exact on the sketch. But you can see which ones of those can be regarded, right? That's not what we're doing. So right, don't do it anymore. Just use your, maybe you can look at the calculator that she gets.
No, thank you.
What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4.
So maybe -1, -2, and 2 or something? That's what they kind of look like? Okay. So, you're probably going to have 3 roots. So which roots do those look like? Kind of like?
-2, -4, and +1.
Negative what? No.
-1, -2.
Yeah, this was at -2. And this was at -1. And this was at 1, right? Or 2. This was at
Yes.
actually 2. It should come out farther than 2. Okay, now you got to try and make sure they work. So you can do the synthetic division. Did you try the synthetic division?
I know.
You got to do it. You're going to get DOB credit. You got to do it yourself.
Same thing with date of birth. And then, okay.
So you factored, yeah.
Oh, it's. You didn't answer the question.
And you're just doing the straight.
I'm sorry, but date of birth seems to be incorrect.
And so Jesse's doing the synthetic division for all three parts, which is fine too, if you don't want to factor those last two out.
Sir, what's the outer?
+2 + 1. +2, okay. Or you could do it the hard way. Ready for another one?
No.
Okay. +2, -2, yeah.
Hmm.
About +2 and +1.
Apparently I'm a -2 on a scale of 10.
Brian, would that work? +2 and +1. I mean, +3 and +1. No, +2 and +1. +2 and +1.
Because
Make it plus.
Yep.
Plus, and then +2, because that will multiply to give you the 2 and add to give you the 3. So then those are your roots. So those are your factors. So your roots are -1 and -2. And then you already had +2. Yeah. Now are we ready? Good. Okay, race. Yeah. Let's do one more like that. -4x³ plus 15x² minus 8x minus 3.
I made a mistake.
Oh, wow, I spelled that wrong. Okay, this one's 35. Did you narrow it down with the calculator?
Where did you get a lot? You're doing what? Okay. I don't think this maybe no. Yes, maybe so no. What?
So is this, so, yeah, so you brought that down, multiplied.
But then it becomes a -3.
That should be a +1. 9 minus 8,
Um.
and then 3. Okay, so then you have 4x², or you can continue,
Let's do the 1. I'm just
Okay.
gonna, I just like.
and that's a -4, right?
Yeah.
Wait, why would, what? Oh, yeah. And then you do bring it down again. You want to try it, or you can copy down what they have? There's 2 of them are whole numbers, and 1 of them is a fraction. -1. I don't think it's -1/3 though. Let me double check. No, it's not -1. Yes.
I can't do simple division.
1/4. That's what I said.
Like 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1/4?
Yep.
That's
I
like,
saw the 3 right next to it, and I was just like,
Oh.
okay.
Silly.
it work?
Yeah.
Yay. Wow, y'all are pretty good. Let's just keep on going. Let's see a 35. We're going to jump to 45 now. Okay. So your eighth. Poor Anna's using a tissue. Somebody throw her a rag.
Oh.
A rag. Microfiber.
That didn't work. Oh, it didn't work. Hey.
Pretty close, pretty close. Okay. Anybody else need a microfiber? Okay. What about you? You got one? Okay, good. All right. So write this down. Write a 1 and then a comma and then a 5i. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a polynomial function with real coefficients that has those given zeros. It has those zeros. So you'll start out with x equal that and x equal that, and then you'll move it over so you have equal 0. Although I wouldn't do it that way, because if we have 5i, what else do you know you must have as a root?
Oh, positive 5i.
If you have positive 5i, you must have negative 5i. So I would multiply those two together first. And then multiply the last one by that one, because that's going to be pretty simple. Remember, it's just a squared minus b squared.
Oh, yeah.
Conjugates, a squared minus b squared, difference of squares. Yeah. And then multiply that by your x minus 1. Let's say this was 29, 45.
Those are pretty easy, I guess.
Let's see what you got. X cubed minus x squared plus 25x minus 25. Good job.
Okay.
X cubed. What did I say the one was? 45. X cubed minus x squared plus 25x minus 25. Everybody got it? Good job. Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. We got time? Yeah, we got time. 30. No, let's see. This is 47. Okay, 47 is 2, comma, 5 plus I. 5 plus I. It's a little trickier because you just have extra stuff there in their parentheses. No, it's minus again. So each one is minus 5, but you have a plus I and a minus I. Yeah. Now you can't do the difference of squares things there, but good luck. No, this is still going to be minus right here.
Yeah, that was
And then a minus
erase the top.
will give you a plus, and a minus will give you a minus. But the front ones are both minuses. No, this is a foil. Who are they wanting to send over? I always catch. I don't even know who she is because. Okay, I get some of the. I notice some of the notifications, and I don't get some of them. So I just get the ones that say her, she. Okay, Alex Lopez, yeah. Pool noodles. Which one did we say this one was? A 5i. Okay, so this is 47. Let's see what the answers are. Anybody got an answer yet?
I think I got it.
Oh. Uh-oh. There are many answers, they say.
Many? What?
Yeah,
More than one?
there could be. 47. Okay, read what you got, Kylie. Well, that's not a, it'd have to be at least a cubic, because if it has 3,
I didn't do the last part. Okay. Yes.
Okay.
That's why I was like, how do you go so fast, guys?
yeah. Then you have to do x minus 2.
It's like, wait, okay, so our is gonna.
Okay, so you're gonna multiply x by all of these, and then you're gonna multiply
So it's
negative
basically
5 by
the
all
same
of
thing.
those,
Just longer and more
and then that by all of those. So do it, you can do it. Okay, let's see. X cubed minus 12x plus 46x minus 52. Good job, Jesse got it. Okay, so you got to multiply the x by each one of those, and you got to multiply the 2 by each one, right? Okay, yeah.
Are there gonna be any I-axis? No, they're not, because these are cancel out again. So minus 10, no, minus 10x.
You
Yes,
just
no?
do them all without combining them in your head. Okay, so that's going to give you minus 10x, and then this was a minus I squared, which is the same thing as negative 1. Okay, so that means you'll have 24, right?
Oh,
Wait, was it plus 1? Oh, yes, plus 1, so it would be 26. Okay, okay, so you did that, yeah. No, this is right.
oh, okay.
This is right. Good job. Good job. 12x 46 and 52. Oh, you're just not, haven't finished that step. So negative 2x squared, 20x, and then 52. Yeah, and then combine like terms.
I know what to do. I'm just taking a break because I'm taking it.
You're good. Yeah.
Here, have a post-it note. It was in my computer from when they printed the computer calculator.
Nope, wait,
Printed it out.
nope, not that either.
10ix.
Oh, wait, there's the 2 there. Okay, wait.
I don't know about this, guys. Okay, what's this 10? Oh, 10i and 10ix. So that's, is that an x or an I? I don't.
Right here.
Oh,
2. Oh.
maybe not. And then you can multiply that by x minus 2, right? Yeah, yeah, getting there. 10 ix, 24x, and negative 20 x squared.
Did you do it too?
So did you do 2 times 10 to get positive 20i?
Yes, ma'am.
Cannot even read what you got. You finally got it? Yeah. This is some real finagling.
2 times 10.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you got it.
That's not allowed.
Not here.
Okay.
It's improvising.
Wait, what are you doing?
Math. Math. You will.
You can do it, James.
So,
Have you ever done that vertical multiplication?
negative 20 and then
You have
negative
x squared minus 10x plus 26, and then put x minus 2 under here. Then it's kind of like regular math. Okay, so as you get that times that is negative 52.
Negative.
And that
Oh,
times
these
that
make a positive.
is positive 20x.
Just make a positive. I
And then
see.
that times that is a negative 2x squared. And then that times that is 26x. That
I was
times that is
trying to make these two a negative,
10x.
and I was trying to get
squared.
positive 6 out of this. And this, I was considering this a 1 for some reason. I was like, that's not a 1, that's a 2.
It lines up your like terms nicely. Yeah. Okay, I think I killed y'all good enough today. We'll stop there. So that was up through 47. So I'm going to make a note that y'all have gone up through 47.
I said my brain wants to bark. Yeah.
What's her name?
She's always Megan. Whenever she plays.
Stop barking at me or I will bark back at you.
Do it, coward.
You can't stab me if I run into your knife.
Same concept.
That's like what my mom did when I had a biting phase when I was little. Oh, she had to bite me back.
My mom bit me one time. Somebody bit me, so I bit them back, and then my mom bit me, and I'm like, what the heck?
So you assert dominance.
Yeah.
I kept slapping my mom and like other people, so my mom would just slap them. And they would just look at her like, just like, exactly. I like to throw women out of my faces. Like when I was little, I had animal sound faces, and then I grew out of it, and now I bark and bite people's face. And it's just like, I'm reverting back into a dollar.
Into a dollar?
Toddler.
I heard Dollar Tree, but I know you meant.
Okay.
Yeah, don't bark.
She's about to do it, I can tell.
That sounds the Swedish dog name. Bjork. Bjork.
It'll be Bjork.
Bjork.
York.
Bjork.
York.
French. Bonjour. 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 Bonjour.
Why is
S'il
it?
te plaît.
All righty. Well, I'm going to cancel and leave the meeting. So I'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
God, you're gonna bark at me, I see it.